Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a Saturday morning special. Now this is a pretty simple coffee drink, so you're going to start off with your coffee cup and you're going to make sure you have your hot coffee. And our main alcoholic ingredient is going to be light rum. We're using Bacardi, which is a molasses based, but you can feel free to maybe use a sugarcane based light rum or just a light rum of your choice, whatever makes you happy. So we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of our light rum. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will give us our desired pour. From there, we're going to add in a splash of chocolate syrup. The recipe actually calls for 2 splashes, but it's all pretty much the same. You just want to get in some chocolate syrup at the bottom for flavor. And then we're going to top this off with our coffee. Now, anytime you add syrup or honey, you want to stir with your bar spoon to get that blended in to the drink. Really important to do that. Otherwise, it's just going to settle on the bottom, and you're not really going to taste it. After you do that, I personally recommend a layer of whipped cream and a cherry, but our recipe doesn't necessarily call for it, so we're just going to hold off. And that is our Saturday morning special. Enjoy.